So guys, there's a new update. Rainy Day cosmetics are back. Jumping in at what's your yeah. Let's go check me at this point. Just for this. I mean, true, I have never had a rain cosmetic. I'll try them out. Holdable. So I like these, but they're expensive. I like these. Oh, that's so fire. And these, yeah. This is just an April. Yeah, mommy, me want food. Yeah, egg on my head. Now for the umbrellas. Passcode. Let's see this. You see, this looks rich. Hold, let me show you how much shiny rocks I have. I literally have like 11,600, and I'm not wasting 5,000, because then I have like 6,000 left. Oh, I'm not wasting. See, look. Item costs 5,000. How much will I have? Yes. No. Let me think about it. Listen. How much will I have? I don't know. See, are they the same price? These two. 5,000. 5,000. You see, I'm going to buy this for the viewers. Yes, I need it. Now I have 6,000 shiny rocks. Like, I wasted all my money on an umbrella. Yo, please like the video. I spent like 20 quid worth of shiny rocks on this video. So just like and subscribe. Now time for